Hello everybody, my name is Jaime Llamas. I'm a representative with Quinn Company here in California. Today we're going to cover the new 265 and 255. First off, we'll start off with the nomenclatures and what direct replacements these are. The 255 is a direct replacement for the 259, and the 265 is a direct replacement for the 279 and 289. The hydraulic system on the 255 is available in 3 different levels. It's the standard flow and the high flow, but what's new to the 255 is the high flow XPS. And the hydraulic system on the 265 is also available in 3 levels: standard flow, high flow, and high flow XPS. And one thing I want to cover on both models is that if you get a standard flow from the factory, you can upgrade to high flow with an SEA. That means we could plug into it with our CAT ET system and upgrade the system, which doesn't give you more PSI, just more gallons per minute. Or you could do it via product link via the cloud. The next thing we're going to cover is the arm and the lifting configuration. As you can tell, it's a complete redesign. The hydraulic coupler has changed. We went through a rolling cam system where the pins just come straight up and down. It's more robust, so if dirt gets in there like it will, it's not going to get jammed up as easy. So the lighting package is available on the full line of the skid steer loaders and the compact track loaders next generation. As you can see are the lights on the side. The cabin is still a one-piece sealed and pressurized cab, but you've increased the leg room, as you can tell, with this open space right here. So if I get into it, it's easier to get in. You have increased leg room down here and increased room behind your head. Increased visibility behind your head so you can see in the rearview mirror or look over your shoulder. The way we were able to do that is we were able to move the fuel tank from under the engine and put it to the side of the machine, and move the engine down, which increased our visibility and our center of gravity. The door can be removed without any tools, and I will show you. All you have to do is disconnect this electrical wire here, go out here, grab both sides, lift up. Simple. And then within the computer system, you have to hit a prompt and tell the machine the door is off. You could tuck this cable in right here, and there's actually a little notch right here for you to tuck the cable in. Pretty simple. So also, toolless removal of the side windows. So you could take out the windows and wipe down both sides if you wanted to clean them. There's 2 latches up top. You lift them up, line up the window in the center, peel it back, lift it out. Clean the windows, put it back, just reverse the steps. So on the next gen 265, 255, this model is equipped with the advanced joysticks. So you have the technology package of a T4 or a T5. That's how you were able to get these advanced joysticks. If you had a T2, then you would just get standard joysticks. In addition to the joysticks and the cameras on the T4 and T5, you get the RAM mount for your cell phone, and you get a keyless start with the option to put a passcode. You could put up to a 6-digit passcode, and you could change the languages to 32 different languages. The next generation 255 and 265 incorporate the redesign for your work tool connection. Your electrical connection is now up here, which was previously right here, and you also have a hydraulic relief valve. All you have to do is pull it, and it will relieve the hydraulic pressure in your lines and put it back to the tank. You're going to want to do that so it's easier to take these on and off. With the new 255 and 265, they have new motors. There's the CAT C 2.8T on the 255 and the C 2.8TA on the 265. The A stands for aftercooled. With the new motors, we also relocated the fuel tanks. They used to be under the machines, but now they're located on the side of the machines. With the relocation of the fuel tanks, also relocated the counterweights, which are now right here underneath. With the new 255 and 265, you are going to have different part numbers for your tracks. One of the main reasons is the relocation of the final drive being slightly higher, so you can clean out underneath when your dirt gets packed in there. A couple other upgrades that you have right here are going to be your tie down points, easier to tie down the machine when you're loading and hauling. And your idler is no longer free floating, it's actually locked into this raceway here. which allows better ride and less squatting when you're lifting heavy load. On the left side of the machine, you're gonna have a door right here where you could check your hydraulic fluid and fill your hydraulic fluid. The float gauge is right on the inside on the right side.